CRUD operations over MySQL database. At present, for the moment, this is the first timeline created, named project, with year this year. Okay, we have 3 events. That is the interesting main thing. Show the layout container the timeline project. For one example, I've created a function dynamical shows the title on top, the big blue dot, the year, and the small blue dots contains the items. In this case, 3 items, with the date, some description, and the URL. That's it. Log out. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. This is the landing page. The bottom shows the technical information that made this possible. Additionally contains a little requirements.